morning. Today we're going to be talking about greater and less than in our math class. Can anybody, by raising your hand, tell me what greater or less than means? Yes.
A lot and a little bit.
A lot and a little bit. That is correct. Yes. Grande? Yeah, more? Yes, that's correct. That's also correct. Yes. Awesome. Okay. Anybody else? No? Okay. Well, today we're going to be working on the board on some numbers of greater and less than. We already said that greater means is another word for more. That is correct. So, okay, we're going to be doing this problem here together before we get into our own activity. So, you know, as everybody tell me what's the symbol for addition that they use? We use symbols in addition and subtraction. Is it, can anybody tell me? What is it, the symbol? Is it a plus or a minus for addition? For adding, like this. Is it like this or is it like this?
Like
That one? Right. And these are called symbols. Okay? Does everybody understand that? These are symbols? Yes? Okay. Also here in a greater and less than, we also have symbols. And these, they look like these. Right here. Does everybody see this? These are also called symbols. Okay? We're going to be working with these symbols today. So as we're going to be working on our first math problem together, so we're gonna do this together. So, anybody know? Okay, so by showing me with your little fingers, can show me the number 1. Everybody, number 1 with one hand. Okay, number 1. Everybody. Okay, that's good. Show me number 1. Show me number 1. Number 1. Show me. Okay. Okay, now with your other little hand, show me the number 2. It's correct. Okay, now which hand has more fingers up? Yes, the number 2, that is correct. And which one has less? Yes,
1.
that is correct. So we now know that 2 is greater or more than 1, correct. And the symbols that we have here, I'm going to show you, do a little demonstration here. Okay, our symbol is greater than and less than, or here. And so the way we're going to do this, we're going to pretend these 2 rulers are a crocodile, okay? And see the mouth here? How it goes chomp, chomp, chomp. You guys see that? This is the mouth, okay? So what the crocodile wants to do, if it's a very, very, very hungry crocodile, does it want to eat a little bit or does it want to eat a lot?
A lot.
A lot. That is correct. So the crocodile's mouth has to be where the number is more or greater than. Okay? Greater. So if we see the crocodile mouth open like this, where do you think the crocodile mouth should be facing? The 1 or the 2?
The 2.
So if I do it like this, am I correct?
No.
So if I do it like this, yay.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do it together. So my crocodile mouth is going to look like this, right? Do you guys remember when you guys did this in kindergarten? Whenever you guys had the little teeth? Like this? Do you remember that?
Yes.
Okay, well, here we don't have to put the little teeth because you remember that. Now you're big kids and you guys know that this, without the teeth, is the same thing, right? It's a mouth. So we're going to do like this. Is that correct? Does everybody agree?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now let's do so another way, the way we read this, let's put it, would we read this math problem here? How would we read this? Because we now know that this symbol is greater than, 2 is greater than 1, right? So how would we read this? Would this be like, when we say 1 is what? 1 is it greater than 2 or less than 2?
Less than 2.
Okay, less than 2. Correct. Now, what's another way we can read this math problem? What's another way? Can anybody tell me? Anybody? How about 2 is? 2 is greater than 1. Good job.